All right, yo, so what's up? It's Everj Music. In this lecture, I'm going to talk about music supervisors. All right, so what is a music supervisor and how can they help you? All right, so let's talk about this. A music supervisor is just what you hear. Someone who's supervising the whole aspect of getting the music placed on a particular TV show, film, or a project, okay? And so let's take like a reality show. All right, let's say Real Housewives. The music supervisor, job is to find the music that needs to go on the show. That's their sole responsibility. They're going to deal with making sure the music is cleared, making sure that there's no copyright issues, making sure there's no sampling issues, making sure that, you know what I'm saying, the music they get, they're not going to have like a cold type of relationship, like they get a song that two writers wrote, and then one writer is cool with submitting it, but another writer is not. They're going to go through that tedious process of finding those little intricacies and making sure that they can get some quality music from a reliable source placed on the show. Okay? Now, as you think about it, there's multiple episodes of shows out there. And so a music supervisor is more than likely looking for some people who they can count on that's going to get them music that's quality, what they're going to need on time, and that they can easily clear. And they'll be 100% going to not have any problems later on. Because the music supervisor's biggest nightmare would be to get music placed and then find out later on that, oh, this person actually stole this part right here or sampled this part, or there was another writer that was involved that did not approve of this music being used for this particular show or whatever, and now they're trying to sue. Okay, and so that's an important thing to keep in mind when you're submitting your music to a music supervisor. That's what they're looking for, okay? They want to make sure that your music is good quality. They want to make sure that you own the rights, okay? That there's no other people who own the rights, and if there is, that everything is signed off on, okay? So they're gonna want to see your agreements sometimes, okay? And then you're gonna want to make sure that you're reliable, okay? Because like I said, this is their job. This their only responsibility is make sure everything is on the up and up with with all the music that are going to be placed onto a particular TV show or movie or film or whatever, okay? And so that's what you want to kind of keep in mind when you're approaching these music supervisors. All right, how do you find them? You're going to go to these go to music conferences, hook up with different organizations, and online you can go to Twitter and do a search for music supervisors. All right. In a later lecture, we're going to go over some of the music organizations and music conferences that you can go to. And we also have another section called Music Licensing Resources Guide, which will point you in the right direction as well to reiterate some of this stuff in these courses, okay? So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, hit us up. Peace.